J. Robert Oppenheimer was an American theoretical physicist and professor who was best known for his role as the scientific director of the Manhattan Project, the United States effort to develop the first atomic bomb during World War II. Oppenheimer was born in New York City in 1904 and received his undergraduate and graduate education at Harvard University and the University of Cambridge, respectively. Oppenheimer was a brilliant and influential scientist who made significant contributions to the fields of quantum mechanics and nuclear physics. In addition to his work on the Manhattan Project, he also played a key role in the development of the first successful hydrogen bomb in the 1950s. One of the most controversial aspects of Oppenheimer's career was his role as the scientific director of the Manhattan Project. The Manhattan Project was a top-secret research and development program conducted by the United States during World War II, with the goal of developing the world's first atomic bomb. The project was named after the Manhattan Engineer District, the code name for the military district in which the project was headquartered. The Manhattan Project was launched in 1939, shortly after the discovery of nuclear fission, and was led by a team of top scientists and military officials. The project was conducted in secret, and involved the construction of several large research and development facilities, including the Los Alamos National Laboratory in New Mexico. The Manhattan Project was a massive undertaking, involving the recruitment and management of thousands of scientists and engineers, as well as the acquisition and allocation of vast amounts of resources. The project was successful in developing the first atomic bomb, which was tested in 1945 and later used in the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan, leading to the end of World War II. The Manhattan Project is considered one of the most significant scientific and technological achievements of the 20th century, and its legacy continues to shape the field of nuclear science and international relations to this day. Oppenheimer was among those who observed the Trinity test in New Mexico, where the first atomic bomb was successfully detonated on July 16, 1945. He later remarked that the explosion brought to mind words from the Bhagavad Gita, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." The decision to use the bomb, and the devastating consequences that resulted, are still the subject of debate and controversy to this day. Oppenheimer was also a vocal critic of nuclear weapons and the arms race, and was known for his strong opposition to the development of the hydrogen bomb. He argued that the proliferation of nuclear weapons was a threat to global peace and security, and argued for international disarmament. He opposed the development of the hydrogen bomb during a 1949 to 1950 governmental debate on the question, and subsequently took stances on defense-related issues that provoked the ire of some U.S. government and military factions. Oppenheimer was accused of being a communist and was subjected to intense scrutiny and investigation by the government. Despite his denials, Oppenheimer's reputation was tarnished by the accusations and suspicions of espionage that were leveled against him, and his views on the hydrogen bomb contributed to his complex and sometimes troubled legacy. Oppenheimer's achievements in physics included the Born-Oppenheimer approximation for molecular wave functions, work on the theory of electrons and positrons, the Oppenheimer-Phillips process in nuclear fusion, and the first prediction of quantum tunneling. With his students, he also made important contributions to the modern theory of neutron stars and black holes, as well as to quantum mechanics, quantum field theory, and the interactions of cosmic rays. As a teacher and promoter of science, he is remembered as a founding father of the American School of Theoretical Physics that gained world prominence in the 1930s. After World War II, he became director of the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. On December 16, 2022, United States Secretary of Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm cleared Oppenheimer of allegations that led to the revocation of his security clearance.